Babe, what you can say about this quarantine? Babe, what are you thinking? I know you're sad. Are you sad? Are you thinking to go to the beach? You're going to the beach? Where's Doc? Where's Doc? Open the door. Are you thinking to go to the beach? But we cannot go. I know, we cannot go. Am I annoying you? Uy? No. Yourself. You stay here. Okay? You stay here, okay? Because you're not listening. You stay here by yourself, okay? Kobe? You stay here? Yes, you are staying here. You stay here with Lister. Okay? No, you're not coming. Come. After I bought you, you smell like chicken. How come you smell like what? Like how come you smell like boiled chicken? Chicken. Ay, Kobe. What do you need? Why you was calling me? I'm gonna take a bath too. Because I already bath you. What you need? What you need? Huh? What you need? This one. This. How come no more sound now? What did you do? Okay, I give you that. I give you this one without the eyes, without the leg, because you take out the eyes. What you need? This one? But I need this one. This is my duster. I have to clean. See? It's so dusty here. So, my makeup brush. I'm gonna use that there. Okay? There. Okay? There you go. Okay? So that one goes in there. That's not a toy. That's not a toy. Huh? What you need? This one. But this is not a toy, I told you. See, I dust this. I'm done dusting that. See? That. See? This one is not a toy. How come? This is not a toy. Remember, I have one of this and you destroy it? No, this is not a toy. I have to bat now because I feel so hot, okay? No. Why you need this one? Why? You have your toy off, toy. But you take out their eyes. Their legs. And you guys, doon talaga siya dumaritso sa duster. No, that's not a toy. I told you. No. I told you that's not a toy, okay? I need that to dust my stuff over there, okay? Huh? You have plenty toy, but look, you broke it, see? And this here, look, no more eyes, no more legs, okay? You even take out the stuff, okay? So that's not a toy. That yellow duster there, that's not a toy. Okay? How are you trying to chill? I'm coming right here. Where's my like curious dog. Smelling my hair. If my hair will smell good. But actually, he is more interested of my comb. What you need? So it's not a duster now, it's the comb, right? See, there's a lot of damage here. Okay? You was the sneaky one. I was bathing, I was in the shower, and you was playing my comb. Hi. Why you was barking so much? I told you you're not gonna have that duster. Okay. Kubi. I thought you were sleeping, Kubi. Hoy.